Welcome to Compass and Pencil.
Today we discuss exercise 1.4. Find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. X is equal to 1, 3, 5. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. Write all elements of X and Y. We get set 1, 2, 3, 5. Next, set A, E, I, O, U and set B is equal to A, B, C. Set A union B is equal to A, B, C, E, I, O, U. Next, A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and a multiple of 3. And B is equal to X such that X is a natural number less than 6. We get A is equal to 3, 6, 9, etc. and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12, etc. A is equal to X such that X is a natural number and 1 less than X less than or equal to 6. And B is equal to X such that X is a natural number and 6 less than X less than 10. We get A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 7, 8, 9 and A union B is equal to all members of A and B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to null event. Therefore, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3 because B has no element. So let A is equal to AB and B is equal to ABC. Is A subset of B? What is A union B? We get A union B is equal to ABC, which is equal to B, and A contained in B, so A is the subset of B. If A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union B? Then A union B is equal to B always. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and D is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Find first question A union B. A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and A union C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B union C 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Next B union D 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A union B union C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A union B union D all elements of A, B, D. Then we get 1 to 10. Then last B union C union D 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We take question number 1 and find out the intersection of each pair of sets. X is equal to 1, 3, 5 and Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. We get as intersection Y is equal to 1, 3 and next A intersection B is equal to set A intersection B is equal to set 3. A intersection B is equal to null event and A intersection B is equal to null event. No element common for A and B. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13 and C is equal to 11, 13, 15 and D is equal to 15, 17. Find A intersection B common to A and B is equal to set 7, 9, 11. B intersection C set 11, 13. A intersection C intersection D which is equal to set A intersection C intersection D which is equal to set 11 intersection set 15, 17 which is equal to null event because there were no common elements. A intersection C is equal to set 11. B intersection D is equal to null event. A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. First find out A intersection B. We get 7, 9, 11 and then we get A intersection C is equal to set 11. The union of 7, 9, 11 and 11 we get 7, 9, 11. A intersection D is equal to null event. Then next A intersection B union D is equal to A intersection B union A intersection D. We get A intersection B is equal to 7, 9, 11 and union A intersection D we get a null event. Set 7, 9, 11 union null event we get 7, 9, 11. Then next question, A intersection B intersection B union C. First find A intersection B we get 7, 9, 11 and next we find B union C we get 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Then common to A intersection B and B union C we get 7, 9, 11. Last A union D intersection B union C. A union D we get 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17 and B union C we get 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. And common to A union D and B union C we get 7, 9, 11, 15. If A is equal to x such that S is a natural number and B is equal to x such that S is an even natural number. C is equal to x such that S is an odd natural number and D is equal to x such that X is prime number. Find first question A intersection B. We know A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. and B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 etc. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to set B. A intersection C, odd natural numbers. A intersection D is equal to set of prime numbers. Next, B intersection C. No common elements present in set of even natural numbers and odd natural numbers. So, B intersection C is equal to null event. Next, B intersection D. 2 is the common element. C intersection D. We get set of odd prime numbers. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? If sets are disjoint, their intersection is null event. Intersection of these two sets we get a set of 4, so it is not disjoint. Next, intersection of set AEIOU and set CDEF we get set E, therefore it is not a null event, so it is not disjoint. Next, first set even integer set and second set odd integer set. There is no common element, therefore the sets are disjoint. If A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21, B is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, C is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 and D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Find A minus B. We get set 3, 6, 9, 15, 18 and 21. And next A minus C. The element which present in A and not present in C. We get 3, 9, 15, 18 and 21. Then next A minus D. We get 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. And B minus A 4, 8, 16, 20. C minus A 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. D minus A 5, 10, 20. B minus C set 20 and B minus D 4, 8, 12, 16. C minus B 2, 6, 10, 14. D minus B 5, 10, 15. C minus D 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16. D minus C 5, 15, 20. Find x minus y. X minus y is equal to set AC, y minus x, set FG, and x intersection y common to x and y, we get a set BD. If R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? Real numbers are the union of rational numbers and irrational numbers. When we subtract set of rational numbers from real numbers, we get a set of irrational numbers. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answer. Set 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint sets. If two sets are disjoint, their intersection must be null event. The intersection of these two sets, we get set 3, therefore it is not null event. Next, set AEIOU and ABCD. We get set A common to these sets, therefore it is not disjoint. Intersection of these two sets, we get a null event, therefore these two sets are disjoint. Next, 2, 6, 10, intersection 3, 7, 11, we get a null event, so it is disjoint.